Hello guys, it's Micah on the mic, and today I'll be teaching you guys a step-to-step guide on how to check your O level on your JAMB CAPS. For those who have already uploaded their O level and they have not yet checked if their O level has been uploaded, this is a step-to-step guide. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share to your family. Let's dive in right into this video. Thank you. Okay, guys, this is very interesting what we want to do here. So, firstly, what we are going to do is, first of all, to dive into the steps we can use to check our O level. In case you're having any problem, for example, you're playing your O level, you are not seeing it. This is a step-to-step guide on how to see your O level in your JAMB Portal. Firstly, I'm going to use the Chrome app, but you can use other browsers to look at or check for this to apply this step-to-step guide. You can use UC browser, you can use Opera Mini, any of the browser you're using on your phone. Phoenix browser will be okay. First of all, what we're going to do is to open our Chrome browser. When you open our Chrome browser, open a new tab. When you open a new tab, the first thing you will do is you search for JAMB Portal. When you search for JAMB Portal, you send it. After you search for JAMB Portal, the first thing that will show, first of all, is JAMB e-facility. That is the direct website of JAMB. So when you search for this direct website of JAMB, you just click login. You will see login there. So before now, I've done some videos on how to get your password, your JAMB password. So what you are going to do is go back to that video and look at how you are going to get your JAMB password. Because me, I've already gotten my JAMB password and email address. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that JAMB password and email address right now. So that is what I'm going to do. So because I have some people's passwords saved into my system, that's why it's taking a lot of time. So now let's dive in. So now as I've looked at it now, what I'm going to do is the portal has opened. The next thing I'm going to do is to check admission status. When I look at check admission status, you see that the year there is really 2025 Unified Tertiary Matriculation Examination UTME regular. So your own might be showing 2022 because you have written JAMB for so many times, let me say 3-4 times. So your own might be showing another year. What you just do is to click it and choose the exact year, which this year is 2025. So you click 2025. When you click 2025, the next thing for you to do, you see that there is access my caps, there is check admission status. The first thing to do is to check admission status. Please don't go and check admission. No, don't go and check admission status, please. What you do is access my caps because you're trying to check your O level, whether is your O level in JAMB, has it been uploaded? Has JAMB really accepted your O level? So what we do there is, first of all, you click access JAMB caps. When we click access JAMB caps, you will see my profile, my change of institution, my O level. You will see my A level. You will see regular admission status, part-time, undisclosed admission status, transfer approval, and return mail home. What you are going to click on is my O level. This is very important. Listen carefully. What you are going to click on is my O level. You just click my O level. When you click on your O level, your results that you have uploaded will appear. Now take note, if you have not uploaded your results, nothing will appear here. This place will be empty. But if you have done your upload, your results will appear here, just like it has just appeared here. Now, this is the end of the video. We have learned how to upload our JAMB caps. Let me show you another trick. In case now you have done the upload and it's not showing, you just click on refresh caps. You click on refresh here, your result will show. Thank you very much for watching this video, and don't forget to share it. Thank you.